Hey guys, welcome to DevDom. In today's video, we are going to solve this problem called sum of digits of a number. So we have given an input number in this, and we have to return just its sum. This 1, 2, 3, 4 sum is 10. Okay, so how we can do this? So in this video, we are going to see its logic. First, try it yourself and then see the solution. So let's start. So first what we'll do, we will take a variable sum, okay, and initialize it with 0. Okay. And next what we'll do in next step, we'll extract this last digit. Okay, we'll extract this last digit. So for that what we'll do, we'll divide the number by modulo 10. Okay, this will get my last digit of the given number. Okay, what we'll do, whatever the answer, obviously the answer will be 4, and that answer will store in this sum variable. Okay, and after that what we'll do, we will after adding into the sum variable, so obviously we have added 4, then we have to remove it also. So for removing it, so for removing the 4 digit, we have to divide the number by 10. So n divided by 10. This code will run till our input, that is our number, should be greater than 0. Until that the code will run. Now let's try run it. So we have created a sum variable as 0. Okay. Then n divided by 10. So modulo of 10 will be, so we have to divide the number as you can see clearly. The remainder is 4. Modulo returns the remainder itself. But that we will get is 4. Okay. Now we have get the number. Then after this number will get stored in some variable. Okay. Now how we can do it, we will see in the practical itself. Then after storing in some variable, then we have to remove the last number. Then so for removing it, so we will divide the number by 10. So this will be our number. Okay. After dividing the number by 10. Okay. After that, again we will run the loop. So again the while loop will be true because the number is not 0. So again we will extract the last number, that is 3. So how we can do, we will take the modulo of the number by 10. Now as you can see, we have get the output as 3. Okay, so this 3 will be get stored in this sum variable. Okay, so we have to add it. So 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3. Okay, the answer will be 7 here. Okay, in sum variable. Again we have to remove the last number because we have taken 3. Okay, now for that, again we will divide the number by 10. 1 and 3, and we will divide this number by 10. Then one's a 10, again then one's a 10, and here 2 will be remainder, so 10 to the 20. Okay, so 3 will be remainder, so our number will be 1 and 2 only. We have to again take the mod of number with 10, so we'll take the mod of, so why are we are taking the mod, because we have to extract the last digit. Okay, so for that purpose we have taking the mod. Remainder will be 2. So as you can see clearly, we will get the remainder as 2. That means add this 2 in this sum variable. So the answer will be now 9. Next, we have to divide the number by 10 for removing the last number. So 1, 2, we'll divide this by 10. Okay. So 10 ones are 10 and 10 ones are 10. Okay. So whatever the answer that we will get, this will be gets our number. Now if one number has been left, then what we have to do, directly add this number, this last number, to the sum variable. Okay, so 9 plus 1, the answer will be 10. Okay, so this way we will solve this problem. Let's write the code for it. So here we will create a package src, then here we will give the package name as com dot add sum or com dot sum itself. Now we'll give the class name as sum of numbers. Okay, now in this we will create the main method itself. Take a number, okay, int n is equal to 1 2 3, and here we will create a sum variable. Okay, and initialize it with 0. We will run a while loop while n should be greater than 0, and here we will create a variable as digit. Now here we will take the mod of the number by 10, so this will get our last digit. So from this we will get our last digit. Now after we will get the last digit, so we have to add this sum Okay, so we have to add this number to sum. Okay, then after that, what we have to do, remove the last digit. Then for removing the last digit, so we have to divide the number by 10. Okay, so we will divide the number by 10, update the n itself, so the n will be gets updated. Okay, so we have to just print sum, and I will concatenate the string as sum of digit, I can say. Okay, let's run the code. As you can see, the output that I have get is 10. Okay, and let's change the number. So I've taken this number. Now let's run again. As you can see, the output that we will get is 36. So this way we can sum the, we will take a sum of the number. So this is all about this video. So thank you for watching this video.